December 1993, page 134, exercise 30 শুরু করলাম। The new policy has eliminated investment licensing requirement for all new expansion and diversification projects except in 18 industries within bracket estimated account for about 20% of current manufacturing output. Stop. Furthermore, the MRTP Act has been amended to remove all requirements for pre-entry approval of large or dominant companies, thus except for certain industries related to security and strategic concerns, social aspects, concerns related to safety, overriding environmental issues, and manufacture of chemicals involving hazardous processes, pre-entry regulations governing industrial investment have been removed. Stop. In view of serious concerns related to congestion and environmental deterioration, projects within 25 km of periphery of large cities within bracket 23 cities with more than 1 million people will still require a license except in prior designated industrial areas. Stop. Because of the balance of payments constraint, investors will still need an important license to import capital goods for projects in which the foreign exchange content is over 25% of total investment or rupees 20 million, unless foreign exchange supply is ensured through foreign equity capital. Stop. The mandatory convertibility clause under which financial institutions had the right to convert a proportion within bracket up to 20% of their loans into equity has been abolished. This will have positive implications for both borrowing companies and the financial institutions faced manufacturing programs which had involved the enforcement of progressively increasing local content requirements on a case-by-case administered basis, have been abolished for new projects. Foreign investment and foreign technology agreements in India have hitherto had to obtain specific prior approval from the government. In the case of foreign investment, automatic approval is now available for proposals with a foreign equity share of up to 51% in high priority industries. In view of the current balance of payment constraint, this facility is available only to firms that are able to finance their capital equipment imports with the foreign equity contribution. Stop. Such firms are also required to balance dividend repatriation with export earnings for a period of 7 years from the commencement of production. Stop. This condition has been imposed to provide a signal for foreign investment to be competitive internationally, particularly in the light of expected trade and tariff reforms which will reduce protection within the next 3 to 5 years. The condition is not likely to impinge on the dividend policy of most companies, since a normal dividend repatriation volume would seldom be higher than 1% to 2% of sales. Stop. Thank you.